Bird became known for sketches with John Fortune and Bremner in Channel 4's Bremner, Bird and Fortune. Bremner, 61, wrote, "John was, to the end, never pleased with himself, always feeling he should have done better." He and his friend and collaborator John Fortune, together with Peter Cook, were pillars of anti-establishment. A statement said Bird died peacefully at Bendian Care Home, in Midhurst, West Sussex. Bremner said it was striking Bird had died on Christmas Eve 9 years, almost to the day after Fortune, who died aged 74 on New Year's Eve in 2013. Bremner added, "John may not have felt he got his life right, but by God he got it written." Bird and Fortune became household names with comedy skits The Long Johns, in which they played politicians, military figures and businessmen. They were nominated for 4 BAFTAs and won the TV Award for their performance in 1997. Bird, Bremner and Fortune also collaborated in BBC shows Now Something Else, The Rory Bremner Show and Channel 4 series Rory Bremner, Who Else? Born in Nottingham, Bird went to Cambridge University where he met comedy partner Fortune.